Hello friends, welcome back to the NCRT series. Today we will study NCRT Geography class 6th part 2. Let's start. Constellation. What is constellation? In the night sky, various patterns are formed by different group of stars known as constellations. There are officially 88 constellations that exist, but there are important constellations which are having 12 major constellations like Aquarius, Aries, Cancer, Capricorn, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo. In this constellation, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor are the two major constellations that exist. Ursa Major, which is also known as Big Bear because it looks like a bear as in a constellation. One of the most recognizable constellation is Saptarishi Mandal, which is also known as Saptarishi in Hindi. This is the pattern. You can see Ursa Major, which is also known as Big Bear. Polaris. Polaris is the brightest star in Ursa Minor. Polaris considered as one of the brightest star. Let's talk about planets. According to International Astronomical Union, which is also known as IAU in short, Pluto is not considered as planet because it has not cleared its neighboring region of other objects. IAU describes three criteria for full-size planet. One is it is in the orbit around Sun. Second, round shape. And third, it has cleared neighbored around its object. So Pluto meets only two of these and losing out third. As I already told you in the last class, we have 8 planets in the solar system. One is, which is also known by two planets are divided into two parts. One is terrestrial, second is giant and Jovian. Terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are smaller in size and mass, nearer to Sun, hence they are warmer, having solid and rocky surface. Jovian planets are of two types, gaseous and iceous. Gaseous planets are Jupiter and Saturn, and iceous planets are Uranus and Neptune. Iceous planets and gaseous planets, they are also known as giant planets. They are larger in size and mass, farther from the sun, hence are colder and mostly made up of gases. Those gases are helium and hydrogen. I already told you about Jovian planets. They are look like Jupiter planet. So friends, we have completed our second part of NCRT class 6 geography. Thank you. We will write back with third part of chapter 1. Have a good day.